How to clear Instagram direct message suggestions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear your Instagram DMs suggestions. So let us begin. First, open up your Insta and go to your DMs. And under your DMs, you will see the suggestion sections right here. This is the one I'm talking about. Now to remove this, you will have to clear your Instagram's cache. Now to clear that, just open up your settings. After you open your settings, go to General. Under General, go to iPhone Storage. And on your iPhone Storage, you will have to find your Insta. Open up your Insta, and there you will see the Offload App option. Tap on Offload App and offload the app. After you do that, you will have to reinstall the app. After you've done that, this will clear up your cache of your Instagram. And after you do that, your suggestions on your Instagram DMs will be gone. And that is basically it for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more. Do not forget to hit the like button